Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Loom to record brand review walkthroughs, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Loom website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button and create one. Once you're logged in, look for the new video button, usually located on the dashboard. Click on the new video button to start recording your first walkthrough. You'll be prompted to choose between recording your screen, your camera, or both. Select the desired recording option that suits your brand review needs. Make sure to enable your microphone so viewers can hear your commentary. Before starting the recording, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the screen you wish to showcase. When you're ready, click on the Start Recording button. During the recording, guide viewers through your brand review step by step. Explain the key features, benefits, and any noteworthy aspects of the product or service. If you make a mistake, don't worry, simply pause and restart that section if needed. Once you've finished the walkthrough, click on the Finish Recording button. Loom will automatically process your video and generate a shareable link. You can customize the video settings, like privacy options or adding a call to action. To finalize your content, add a title and description for viewers. Once you're satisfied with the details, click the Share button to distribute your video. You can now copy the link for sharing via email or social media. That's how to use Loom to record brand review walkthroughs. You're now ready to share your insights effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.